Hello, I'm Sienna Bose. Welcome to my channel, Learning Builds Life, and today we're going to talk about an Olympiad standard sum on linear equation on the topic of algebra. I'm going to read the sum before we can begin. A laborer is engaged for 20 days on the condition that he will receive 120 rupees for each day he works and will be fined 10 rupees for each day he is absent. If he receives rupees 1880 in all, for how many days did he remain absent? Okay, we need to find out how many days he remained absent. So let us consider number of days he remained absent as x. Absent as x, and he was engaged for 20 days. That means we need now how to find out number of days he was present. Number of days he was present was 20 minus number of days he was absent. That was x. Therefore, number of days he was present equal to 20 minus x days. Now, as per information from the sum, he would be given 120 rupees for each day he worked, and he would be fined 10 rupees for each day he did not work or was absent. That means he remained, number of days we took him to be absent was x. Now, x number of days. That means he was fined 10x rupees. He was fined 10x rupees. 10x rupees. Now, he was paid 120 rupees for each day he was present. He was present for 20 minus x days. That means he was paid 20 minus x into 120, the whole rupees. $120 whole rupees. Now we can make an equation based on this. So this much was paid to him, and this much he had to find. Now let's make an equation. So I'm erasing the board so that we can make our equation. Moving on to making our equation, we got that he was paid 120 into 20 minus x, the whole, and minus 10x. That means how much he was fined. Minus 10x rupees, his fine. Totally, he got rupees 1880. Now let's solve this equation and get x. Or 2400 minus 120x minus 10x equal to 1880, or 2400 minus 130x equal to 1880, or a transposition has to be done now. Let's do the calculation. So now I'm writing my word answer. Therefore, the laborer was absent for 4 days. And this is our final answer. So I'm giving you a few moments to look at the board so that can sharpen your mind. Hope you enjoyed this episode of Learning Builds Life, and please like, share, and subscribe my channel, and see you next time in my next episode. Thank you.